Hello everyone, my name is Shorab and welcome to my 18th video of HTML5 tutorial series. Today we are going to discuss some background image properties. So let's begin. First we will discuss about background repeat property. To do that, let's consider example. First we will add inline style to the body tag. To do that, okay, so we have added a background image to the body tag. Now let's save it and check in our browser. Okay, we have added, you need to close the single quote here. Now save it and check in our browser. Alright, you can see here the image is repeating along the X and Y axis, although we didn't mention anything about the repeat property. So by default, whenever you use any image in any element in the web page, it will automatically repeat itself along the X and the Y axis. So how we can control the repeat property of an image? Let's see. To do that, what we need to add here is simply write background dash repeat. Okay, repeat, then colon, then we write no dash repeat, then semicolon. Now save it. Now if you check it in a browser, you can see the image is not repeating and is appearing only once. Okay. Next we will discuss about background cover property. To do that, let's consider another image and add it to our body tag. Okay. This time the image is little bit bigger than our last image. Let's check it in our browser. Here we have added this image. You can see here the image is ending here and again it is starting to repeat from here. So how we can fix that? So whatever big size image we use, it is obviously going to repeat because that is the default property. Alright. So do that, we will add another property of background image that is called background size. Okay, and we write cover here. We end it with semicolon and save it. Okay, now let's check in our browser. You can see here the image is covering the entire width of the browser window. Okay, so that is the utility of the background size property. Whatever size the image is, it will cover the whole width and length of the browser frame. Alright, now let's add some text here to see how this example works. If you add some text, say we have added some paragraphs here. Okay, now if you check in your browser, you can see here whatever text we have added, the background has adjusted itself according to it. You are scrolling, but the background image size is covering the entire width and height of the browser frame. Next we will discuss about background attachment property. Okay, what is background attachment property? You will see how it behaves. To do that, we simply write here background, then we write dash, then attachment, then colon, and we write here fixed close it. Now let's check in our browser. You can see here, whenever we are scrolling the text, the background is not scrolling along with the text. It is staying fixed. So that is the use of background attachment property. Okay. So that's it for now. We have discussed today 3 background properties today. If you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. You can obviously pause the video and repeat it. Okay. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.